Hey, today I have a 2001 Chevy Tracker. Low miles, but kind of dirty and bad shape. I'm going to try this. Leno's Garage. Quick detailer, tire shine, and interior detail. I never used it yet, but I'm going to wash it and clean up the wheels somewhat. A little rust on there, and then use the product. Look what kind of shape it's sitting in. I'm sitting under trees for a while. Wasn't used very much. But we're going to clean it up. See what it looks like when we're done. Alright? Leno. Alright, let's try the Leno tire shine on these old tired tires. Okay? It says you can spray it right on the tire or on this applicator. Let's see. Woo! Not bad. A little bit there and one there. Smells like bubble gum. What's up with that? Ah, that makes them look nice. Yeah. And I'll do all four and I'll move it a little bit so I can get the bottom. That looks good. That's a big improvement. Yes. Right before your very eyes. Great. Let's do the rest of them. Good job. You remember what it looked like, right? It looked like that. I'm going to do this one. Spray it on there. I did wash these with soap and water, but it's been sitting so long they're kind of stained. So look at this. Brings them right back. Leno knows. He always knows. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Looks like brand new again. Alright, I'm going to do the other side, and then, like I said, I'll move it forward a few feet so I can get the part that was resting on the ground there. They look nice. Good job. Let's stand back and look at it. See? Yeah. Good job. Now I'm going to try the Leno's Garage quick detailer on the hood here. I don't know if you can see what kind of shape it's in. It's not very shiny. It's kind of beat. Like I said, this is a 2001. There's some burnt stain there. Here's a picture of what it looked like before I washed it. Pretty bad, huh? Alright, let's see what we can do here. This says, shake well. Avoid spraying on hot surfaces. Spray a fine mist onto a small area. Rub into surface using a clean microfiber towel. Turn the towel over and buff to a high gloss. Alright. I don't know how you can see this, how good or how bad. Let's see. Can you see me? Well, hopefully you can get an idea. I can't tell. I got all reflections in my camera here. I'll spray it on lightly. Fine mist. Just do that little part. Ooh, that smells good too. Alright, I did that. Turn it over, buff it. That's pretty shiny. Can you see? It looks like brand new, but I didn't expect that. Let's see. Do it again. Mist. There, like a mist. See, I had a... There's a few different streams. You can adjust this brighter too. On that bird mist there made it disappear. You can't see it probably. But it's a lot better than it was. Turn the rag over. Shine it up. Not bad. If this car was taken care of better, it would be a lot better results here. But look. Let me do the rest of the car with this. Fenders. Fenders are going to be better because they weren't abused like the hood was. Look at this. That looks good. Yeah. Turn the cloth over. Buff that up. Oh, that's real nice. Look at that. You remember the before picture of the hood? It was like terrible. And the fender wasn't that bad, but look at the shine I got there. Now that looks brand new. See it? I hope you can. I'm going to do the rest of the car. Nice. And I'm going to do the hood over again. I'm going to do the other side. Yeah, the hood looks pretty good from here. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. You think it looks pretty good? Yeah, that bird mess is pretty much gone. It was stained in there. Shine it up. Quick detailer. Provides maximum shine. Advanced polymer formula. Yeah. Whew. I like it. Thank you. Oh yeah. Depends how you look at it. Buff it up. That fender's like brand new. It sure is. I'll show you before and after of this car. This SUV, whatever they call these days. You'll see a big difference. Okay? We'll do the rest of it. And I also have the J. Leno interior detailer. So I'm going to go over it. Alright, let me do the rest here. This is easy. I'm not going to do this plastic down here. It's going to be quick. Remember, use one side of the microfiber cloth and then flip it over and buff it. Nice. Yeah. I use this on my truck too. Good. Good job. All right. That's shiny. That's really shiny. Shiny. Shiny tires. Shiny body. Let's shine up the inside. Let me do the rest of this. I'll be back. Okay, there's the outside all shined up. I'll remind you I put a picture here before and after. I like it. Thank you, J. Leno. It didn't look like J. Leno. It looked like a piece of pizza. It was just cars though. Thank you. Check it out. Okay, there she is. All shined up and ready to go. Thanks to J. Leno. Check out J. Leno's car care products. I like them. Nice and easy. They smell good. Look how it shined up. Remember what it looked like? Here you do. Inside, outside. Good. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Check them shiny wheels out. Woo-wee. See ya. We'll shine that one up next. Very shiny now, ain't it? See ya.